Parker's doing his first day of fishing. And I have to say, we're pretty impressed with his fishing skills.
Here, Daddy will help you. Okay,
What'd you catch, Parker?
Now you hold it up and say, look at my fish.
Put the fish there. All right, do you want to catch another one?
Oh, we got to come through this hole. Right here, this one.
Sorry.
Good job. Button.
So he knows how to release the line.
Set the rod.
Set your rod. He knows how to... There you go.
Oh.
Pretty impressive for a 2-year-old, I have to say. He knows how to reel it all in. He's getting to know the terms.
It's far enough.
I think we have a natural on our hands. Whoa!
Whoa!
What kind of fish did you catch, Parker? Parker, what'd you catch? What did you catch? A fish? Show me your fish. Show it to Mommy. Oh, he doesn't care. He wants to get another
here,
one.
this hole. This one right here. There you go. Push
Sorry.
button.
Wow, he is good. Do you like fishing, Parker? Is this fun? Yeah? Smile. Yeah, you're catching
set
fish.
The rod. Set the rod.
Set your rod, buddy.
Set the rod. Turn the crank.
There you go. It's called the reel.